Happy Christmas, guys. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Sunday Live Show. And thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on UMKHOKHA from the 25th to the 29th of December 2023 on Monday. The council threatens Mamzobe, but uNdlovu buys her time on Tuesday. Ukhulekane asmanzi mande ukuthi ke ambusise, but she refuses and blesses Siphamandla instead. Mamzobe plays her last card on Wednesday. While them temples prepare for the pilgrimage, Mamzobe seeks to amend or to mend her relationship with her family, but might be failing on Thursday. Siphamandla leads Judea as they go to the mountain for their annual pilgrimage, and Nomkhosi still refuses to accompany Khulekane to church on his big day. Mamzobe feels left out when Difa, Kapsile and Nobuntu leave for the pilgrimage without her on Friday. When Judea reaches the mountain top, Siphamandla is met by a surprise. Well, guys, that's all I have for today this year. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion.